Hi, John Girard here, campus president for Stautzenberger College in Brecksville, Ohio. We're in the medical assisting lab here at the campus, and I'm with Debbie Fazio, who's the program chair of the department, and Stanley, our practice mannequin here, who visits us on time and occasion. So today we want to talk to you a little bit about the medical assisting program, show you around the lab a little bit, but really talk about what you will experience here in this program. With that, I want to kind of hand you off to Debbie Fazio, who's the program chair, who will discuss some of the aspects of the program. So Deb, why don't you tell a prospective student the program length, the type of courses they would have, and some of the skills that they would learn here.
The medical assisting program is approximately 40 weeks, which comes out to about 10 months. It is a full scope program. What I mean by that is you are going to have medical terminology, you're going to get some anatomy and physiology, you get a lot of hands-on lab work. We draw blood, we do injections, we do EKGs, we work with surgical instruments and a lot of the equipment that you would see in a normal doctor's office or in a normal lab. As you can see, we have 3 medical bays. This one in particular is designed for pediatric examinations, and we use Stanley here to help the students get real life hands-on experience working with a mock patient, if you would. They also work together as students and they change off as the medical assistant and the patient also. This lab particularly, like I said, is designed for pediatrics, but we also have a lab for adults on either side of this lab. We have room for about 10 student capacity, which leaves our class sizes nice and small.
Yeah, I would say, the class size is kind of perfect. Looks like we do our didactic or our theory right in the classroom. Absolutely. And then we apply it right here, right? So we kind of stay in the same place.
Absolutely. What we're learning in theory, we're putting right into practice right away. And that's one of the advantages we have of the classroom set up this way.
When they come out, will they be certified or registered or any of that?
When they leave our program, they will be taking their registered medical assisting test through the American Medical Technologists. We will help the students any way we can to pass that exam by doing refresher courses or a boot camp of some type, making sure that they can go back over everything that they've learned while they were here so that they have great success on their registry exams.
Excellent, excellent. Day or evening program?
We are a day program at this time. Hopefully, sometime down in the future, we will have evening classes also.
Excellent, excellent. What are some characteristics that an incoming student might possess that would be helpful for medical assistant? So what are the strengths that one would come in with for that?
First and foremost, just the desire to want to help people. That's probably the most important thing. Good personality. This is customer service. It's customer service with a twist. You're dealing with people who aren't feeling well or have family members who are not well. So compassion, empathy, just that willingness to do whatever it takes to help the patients.
So the Brecksville campus of Stautzenberger College is located in Northeast Ohio, and we're really fortunate to have many well-renowned, even world-renowned medical institutions here that offers a plethora of opportunities for our students. Could you talk a little bit about some of that?
First and foremost, we have Cleveland Clinic, University Hospitals, Akron General, so we are surrounded by a huge healthcare network. Plus, we have lots of satellites off of all of those hospitals. We have satellite hospitals, plus we also have satellite doctors' offices. One of the great things about being an MA in this area of the country is that we can specialize in different types of medicine. I myself specialize in ophthalmology, but you can specialize in pediatrics, OBGYN, cardiology, respiratory. You can even work in the emergency room. So there's tons of opportunities to expand your career as you go along, and you can stay right here in Northeast Ohio to do that.
Excellent. Well, thank you today for helping us learn a little bit more about the medical assisting program here at Stautzenberger College. If you're interested in any of our allied health programs here, we have several. Medical lab technician is one of our programs, surgical technology, sterile processing technician, we have diagnostic medical sonography, tough to say, and cardiovascular sonography, just to name a few of our programs. So we have a plethora of allied health offerings here, but we're really excited about the medical assisting program here. So if you're interested, call 1-800-473-2977, and let's get started today.